Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tawana, and on my channel I share home decorating, cleaning motivation, and organization videos. If that is content that you would love to see, please stay and subscribe and become a part of the TMJ Home Decor family. Today is January 3rd, 2026, and today is my birthday. Today I'm celebrating my 42nd birthday, guys. Yay. So I just wanted to let you guys know. But in today's video, first, if you are new here, welcome. If you have subscribed to the channel, hey girl, hey, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, we are in the dining room. I usually do not take down my Christmas decor until like the second week in January because my birthday is right after New Year's. So I take that time to just enjoy the moment, enjoy my day. So today is my day, but today I wanted to come on and just bring you guys some content. So in today's video, we are in the dining room. We will be removing all of the Christmas decor off the dining room table, the wreath, and also I'm going to take the ornaments off the Christmas tree. So the reason why I'm taking the ornaments off the Christmas tree because I would like to decorate it for B-Day. So after I take the ornaments off the tree, I will place it in the family room so that I can decorate it for B-Day. It will be my first B-Day tree. So I'm super excited. Can't wait to see how it turns out. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Off the tree, the dining room table is cleared, the wreath has been put away. So in the next video you will see this tree in the family room. This is how I'm storing the picks, the black ribbon and the black ornaments. And the dining room table is cleared. The tree has been removed. So you guys, we're starting off on a clean slate.